So welcome everyone, this is lecture number 3. In this video we will be discussing about the average velocity equation and from that we will try to calculate the ratio of average velocity to maximum velocity, which is often asked in your question papers. Okay, if you have not gone through my lecture number 2 and lecture number 1, do click on the link to access the playlist. I suggest you first go through these 2 lectures, then you attend the lecture number 3. Okay, so let us derive the equation for average velocity. It's denoted as u bar. Okay, so first let us understand what is average velocity, right? So this is my pipe. Okay, this is my circular pipe through which a liquid fluid is flowing with a rate of q. Q is the rate of flow, and rate of flow unit I know it as meter cube per second. That means this much volume of water is flowing in per second. Okay, and this is the cross sectional area. Since it is a circular pipe, what will be the cross sectional area if I denote it by A? Pi r square. Okay, so what is the average velocity? Average velocity means the velocity for each and every particle that we have averaged out, right? For the entire cross section, what will be the average velocity? Average velocity equation is given by Q upon A, that is total discharge through the cross section divided by the total area. Okay, so let us see now how we will calculate the average velocity for a circular pipe. Okay, this is the pipe that we had considered earlier in lecture number 1. Okay, there were certain assumptions. Please go through lecture number 1. Again and again I am telling you, for better understanding you have to understand part 1 and part 2. This was a circular cross section, right? And we had considered one element which was at a distance of small r, and the thickness of that element was how much? dr. Thickness of the element was dr, right? Now in order to calculate average velocity we need what? Total discharge by total cross sectional area. Total cross sectional area we know it is pi capital R square, because the radius of the pipe is r, but we do not know what? Q. That is the total discharge we do not know. So what we will do, we have already considered one element, right? This is our element. We had already considered the element. Okay, we know the area of the element. Let us cut it at this point and thus spread it like this. What will be the circumference? This will be the circumference, right? Twice pi r, since the radius is r, and thickness we have considered dr. So what will be the small area of this portion? This is an element, right? That's why I am denoting with dA. So what will be the area? Twice pi r into dr, right? This is the small element area, right? Okay, so what will be small discharge through this area? Small discharge will be what? D area, small area into u, that is a velocity. Okay, what will be dq now? dA we know is twice pi r, dr u we know the velocity which we have derived from the first lecture, that is minus 1 by 4 mu del p upon del x capital R square minus small r square. Okay, now let's see, just let us rearrange. 2 will be there, and minus pi 2 mu del p by del x, right? R is here, we will multiply this r inside, this r square small r minus r into small r square, it will be r cube into 1 dr is left. This is dr, right? This is the small discharge for the element that we had considered, but we need the discharge for the entire cross section. So what we have to do, we have to integrate this from 0 to Q discharge, and we will integrate from 0 to R in order to get the total discharge. Okay, so let's see. Integration dq, integration 0 to R pi minus 2 mu del p by del x into R square small r minus R cube whole dr. Okay, this is 0 to Q. If we integrate dq, we will get Q. Okay, and the limit is 0 to Q, so we will get Q. Limit will be 0 to Q. Okay, now this is constant, pi is constant, 2 is constant, mu is constant, del p by del x is constant. So let us bring this outside. Minus 2 mu del p by del x. What will be inside the constant integration? R square small r minus R cube dr. Okay, these are all constant. Del p by del x hoise. Now so R square to constant hai aru R integration ki hobo, small r integration 0 to R small r dr integration ki hobo, R square by 2 here x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 it will hisu hoy tar mane R square by 2 minus yat ki hoy jabo R to the power n plus 1 mane 3 plus 1 mane 4 divided by 4 और लिमिट किमान 0 to R. ठीक है, सो ये पुट करा माइनस पाई 2 mu del p by del x R एटू जगत की बहिबो इटा कैपिटल R R square into R square की हो जो R to the power 4 and तলত की থাকিব 2 और यार जगत की हम कैपिटल R तार माने R to the power 4 by 4 minus R to the power Q will be equals to what? Minus pi 2 mu del p by del x into R to the power 4 upon 4. So भागी दिले मैं की पाम discharge value minus pi 8 mu del p by del x R to the power 4. Let us keep this equation number 1. Okay, now we know average velocity किमान है. Just now we have said that average velocity is total discharge by total cross sectional area. Total discharge किमान वालों minus pi by 8 mu del p by del x into R to the power 4 और total cross sectional area के वो circular cross sectional area है so pi R square pi cancel out R square R to the power 4 cancel out होगा किमान वो R square. So U average किमान का है सुमन minus 1 by 8 mu del p by del x R square. ठीक है, so this is the equation for average velocity. Okay, now let us try to find out the ratio of U average by U max. U max আমি already derive করেছো. U average কি হয় by 8 mu del p by del x into R square divided by U average क्या है minus 1 by 4 mu del p by del x into R square हो जाएगा. So del p cancel out R square cancel out mu cancel out थाके लगी 4 by 8 हो जाएगा. That means 1 by 2. तो हमने अभी की पालो U average by U max equals to किमान 1 by 2. Very important. ये derivation तो खुद है ना होले बा based on this numerical हमें lecture 2 तथा numerical कोरिसो based on this formula. Okay, it is very easy to remember also. U average max out के तो कम है होगा so 1 by 2 है होगा. যদি কিটা ratio to এনেকুৱা है যে U max by U average দিয়া আছে তেতিয়া কি হ'ব maximum to ওপৰত আহিব তাৰ মানে 2 to ওপৰত আহি যাব. অলপ মনত ৰাখিবলৈ সহজ হৈ যায়. ठीक है, I hope you have understood. Thank you. Okay, so now let us try to solve this numerical. Okay, this numerical has come in Guwahati University paper in 2006. 16. Very important numerical, it covers all the formulas. Okay, now see what is given. First আমি given বোৰ লিখি লওঁ ভালকে এটা সাইডত। given কি আছে চোৱা। First diameter of pipe দিয়া আছে কিমান 200 mm, তাৰ পৰা radius টো মই উলাই ল'ব পাৰিম কিমান 100 mm ৰ radius হ'ব, right? তাৰ মানে মিটাৰত লিখিলে 0.1 মিটাৰ। আৰু কি দিয়া আছে next maximum velocity। maximum velocity মানে আমি u max এৰে ডিনোট কৰো। so কিমান দিয়া আছে 2 মিটাৰ per second দিয়া আছে। okay, what are we asked to find? We are asked to calculate the mean velocity in radius at which the mean velocity occurs. তাৰ মানে u average ওলাব দিছে। u average আমি কিমান radiusত achieve কৰিম r ৰ ভ্যালুটো ওলাব দিছে, right? now let's see. we know velocity distribution across a circular pipe is given by minus 1 by 4 mu del p by del x into r square minus small r square. okay, এখিনি আমি জানো। okay, but now see u আমাক দিয়া নাই, small r ৰ ভ্যালু আমাক দিয়া নাই, কেনেকৈ আমি ওলাম? only আমাক দিয়া আছে কি u max, আৰু u max কি হয় আমি জানো u max is equals to what minus 1 by 4 mu del p by del x into capital R square. somehow আমি arrange কৰিব try কৰো minus 4 mu del p by del x এটা r square আমি common লৈ লওঁ বাহিৰত, ঠিক আছে? ইয়াত কি হৈ যাব r square common ললে 1 minus small r by capital R কি হৈ যাব whole square, ঠিক আছে? মানে কি কৰিলো r এৰে r square এৰে ডিভাইড কৰিলো, এটো 1 হৈ যাব আৰু এটো কি হৈ যাব small r by capital R, ঠিক আছে? so এই ভ্যালুটো কি হয় চোৱা, এই ভ্যালুটো কি হয় this is nothing but u max. so ইয়াত আমি directly u max ৰ ভ্যালুটো পুট কৰি দিব পাৰো। u will be equals to what u max into 1 minus small r by capital R whole square, ঠিক আছে? চোৱা next slide. so কি পালো u equals to u max 1 minus small r by capital R whole square. now let at radius r কি assume কৰিছো that average velocity occurs, ঠিক আছে? আমি assume কৰিছো কি r radius of average velocity occur কৰিব। that means কি at r equals to r we will get u equals to u average. now just put কৰি দিয়া ইয়াত equationত u average equals to কি হ'ব u max into 1 minus r by capital R whole square bracket closed. এই u max to তলত লৈ আহো u average by u max equals to কি 1 minus r by capital R whole square. u max by u average, sorry, u average by u max কি হয় ratio? we already know that it is half, right? আৰু এফালে কি হ'ব small r by capital R radius কিমান আছিল আমাৰ 0.1 তাৰ whole square. now just solve কৰিলে আমি কি পাই যাম, তোমালোকে নিজে solve কৰি চাবা, answer পাবা তোমালোকে, and the answer comes out to be 0.05 meter. so I hope you have understood this numerical. in the next lecture, that is lecture number 4, I will derive the Hazen-Poiseuille's equation. very important, the most important I would say in this chapter, so please do not miss. okay, so one thing we forgot to calculate, that is the u average value. I hope if you have understood the numerical, you will be able to solve the value of u average. after solving, write the value in the comment section, okay, and I will verify your answer. thank you. okay, so thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope the video was helpful. so do subscribe to our channel, and for more videos on concrete technology, check out the thumbnail on your right hand side. thank you, keep watching.